Okay guys, today I'm gonna update this frame. I did it for Christmas for with copper and black, but today I'm gonna add just one more color. I'm gonna do white out here on the edges just to spruce it up for the summer color, like a lighter color. This is browns and black that I did, and you can watch that video. I have it on my YouTube channel, so you can see it, how I made this with chicken wire background to hold your memos, pictures, or what have you for a home decor. And I use burlap strings and some little clothespins for decor, so you can make your own with those frames that you don't want, or frames that have been broken, and you can use just the frame of it and get rid of the middle, so you can do whatever you want. So this one I'm gonna spruce it up with white paint around the edges. And this is the end result of it on my wall inside the house. And again, you can play around with it. You can use it outside if you don't want to put any ribbons on it. You can do it outside to hang a wreath or whatever you would like, but it can be used for anything in an office, inside your house, just to stick whatever memos you have. And this is the end result. And if you want to see how I did the frame from another video, you can look at my other videos and see when I did this frame, because I made it myself. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.